Today we will demonstrate the throttle body synchronization. On this Indian motorcycle after cleaning, the customer requested a twin-cylinder balance adjustment. While we're at it, we will show you how to use this for cylinder balancer. First, let's take a look at the device. At the top are the hose ports. In the middle is the power supply. Here are the 4 cylinders, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Today we are using cylinder 1 and 2 only. Just connect it to a power source, and it's ready to go. Now let's talk about the hose connection. The hoses must be connected to the vacuum ports. On the throttle bodies, make sure the motorcycle has vacuum ports. Connect the front cylinder to channel 1. Connect the rear cylinder to channel 2. This device has to display modes. One is the bar graph display. The other is the waveform display. Now let's start the engine. Take a look. Okay, let's test it again. Make sure the hoses are connected correctly. This is the waveform display. Now look at the bar graph. The vacuum reading is around 27 to 26. The idle speed is stable at 900 RPM. It's very clear and easy to read. From the waveform, we can also observe valve sealing and cylinder performance. This for cylinder balancer is very stable and accurate. Make sure the hose is securely connected. If it's a 4-cylinder engine, connect for hoses. If it's a twin-cylinder engine, connect to hoses. Channel 1 is for the front cylinder. Channel 2 is for the rear cylinder. Thanks for watching.